to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Shosi. Make sure to subscribe down below, and if you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, we are doing a little bit of a living alone series. I'm saying series because it's only going to be a couple episodes. Basically, it's just going to be kind of like a day in my life, living alone, trying to navigate this, because the only living alone I ever did was in college for a few months. I've never been like in a whole different state, literally paying my own bills. It's currently 7:19, so usually I wake up at 6 o'clock every day, but sometimes I'll try to go back to sleep. But today, like most days, I woke up and I was starving. Okay, so I took a shower, got dressed because we have a little event later. I'll show you guys my outfit a little later. I do work from home, so I do need to do some work before we go. I didn't want to like try and like crunch time, like I just need to be able to work, and when it's time to go, I'll stop. I didn't want to try to like fit in getting ready, if that makes sense. Let's go. I need some breakfast before this baby kicks out of my stomach. All right, guys, so we have our breakfast. I'm just eating eggs because we don't have any carbs for real. Lemon water. Always drink water with your protein shakes. And I try to drink lemon water in the morning. Let's eat my very nutritious breakfast. This is gonna sound so big. Technically, I feel like I eat 2 breakfasts because my breakfast right now, 7:30, and then like around the time that we have our event, I'm gonna be hungry again, which is like 11. No matter what I eat, I'm gonna be hungry again. Y'all, we're done with work. I started at 8, 3 hours and like 20 minutes. How long it took me to do what I had to do today. I'm about to fill up my water bottle because, like I said earlier, we have our little event, but it's like a 4th of July thingy, I guess. So like my pants with the stripes, and then I'm gonna use my picnic red cup. So the place is actually a whole hour away, and it starts at 12 in 20 minutes. I know people usually aren't on time. Like, this is like my husband's like work. They like do like team bonding activities or whatever.
What's up, vlog?
They can't see your face. This is my outfit. Let there be light. This shirt is from Hollister. Obviously, all of my clothes are pre-pregnancy because pants are from TJ Maxx. And right now I have my house slippers on. I am just gonna wear brown Steve Madden sandals. I don't really, they're supposed to be like playing games and stuff. Obviously, I'm not gonna be doing all that because I'm not trying to have an early labor right now. I don't got nothing set up for the baby, so that would just be a hot mess. I don't know why he's moving, guys. They're so fat. Oh, there's babies over there. We're almost at the lake, guys. Have to use the bathroom. And I'm hungry. We gonna see if they have food there. And if not, we're gonna be out of luck because we can't find any restaurants nearby.
Every other
Alright, guys.
Who just asked that?
Because you touched the roof in McDonald's. So guys, we stopped at McDonald's to get food because they didn't have food. Like we went to the thing. There was 2 people there. There was no food. So like I said, I'm gonna die if I don't eat. And I really had to use the bathroom. But guys, that was the nastiest bathroom I've ever been into in my whole entire life. They're kind of backed up, not just the toilet. Yeah, like the trash can was just so stink. So I was like levitating in the bathroom. Why I feel like the AC not coming out. And then my husband is over here jumping in McDonald's to touch the ceiling. And he said, I'm the one who made him do it. Yo, which I did not.
Random guy in the store comes up to us and says, hey man, he started talking. He said, you think you can touch the roof? Yeah, I can probably touch the roof.
And I said, you can touch the roof. I said it in that tone, as in like, why is he telling him he can touch the roof?
I didn't hear her say it in that tone. All I heard in my head was, you can touch the roof. From my wife. So I'm like, damn. Now my wife want me to touch the roof. Now I gotta jump.
He touched the roof, but I'm just like, I was saying in a way, it's like, if you tell someone you can touch the roof, now they want you to show them you can touch the roof, because anybody can say I can touch the roof. Also, guys, there's a dead deer. I'm gonna catch it right now because I didn't. Oh, you drove too fast. Like, no, but you seen his neck was like. I'm eating myself.
It's not yours.
Yes, it is mine. Hey people, it's the next day, y'all. So I showed a little bit of my lasagna cooking. It's the next night, should I say? So it's nighttime. I'm gonna redo my ponytails and just make it one because I feel like this looks a little too like childy. Yesterday, we did end up going to the laundromat, but we did not end up like, we didn't put the clothes away or anything yet. And we came back home. Remember, I told you guys we went to that event. We had got McDonald's, y'all remember. And that McDonald's really upset my stomach because after volleyball, when it was like time for them to go to the lake, I was ready to go. Like my stomach was like, it was like starting to hurt and I thought I was getting food poisoning. So I went to the bathroom, they went to the lake, whatever. And then eventually we left. And at that point when we were leaving, I was at like my peak. And it wasn't like anything where like, I'm like, oh, I need to go to the hospital. It was like simply just like nausea. I literally couldn't film. Like I literally just kept going to sleep. Like the only thing that could make it go away was sleep. Blah, blah, blah. But today is 4th of July. I fixed my hair. We just chilled all day. Saturdays are kind of, are like our Sabbath. Like, we don't really do anything on Saturdays. Not only because we have nothing to literally do, also because, like, we're literally working all week. Just how God rested. Like, people need rest. We just chilled all day. It's later in the day now. It's, like, almost 6 o'clock. And we're, like, almost 7 o'clock, actually. And we're gonna go over to this little thing that my city is having. Yeah, they're supposed to do fireworks at 9. But I'll show you guys a little bit of that. And then, all right, this is my outfit. This shirt is from Zara. Skirt is from, I don't know, I think Brandy maybe. The sweater is also, I don't know. And then I'm gonna wear my Steve Madden leopard print sneakers. These are the shoes I'm gonna wear. And we're about to head out. My husband is like addicted to the show as if the show is gonna get up and run away.
It is.
Not. It is not. In here. All right guys, we have arrived. I said, oh my gosh, the whole city's gonna be there. He's like, no, people have better things to do. Where's the whole city?
I said they would be doing stuff with their own family like we do in Florida. We don't go to no city thing. We do our own thing.
But there's so many people in Florida.
Everybody named Mama out here.
Yeah, we're literally parked like we're gonna have to walk. Oh my gosh, guys, here in Texas, there's these really loud bugs. Y'all just heard them. They're so loud. And they do that all night. It hits like 5 o'clock and they're out.
Sexy little mama time.
Okay, try it. It's good? Yeah, we got this big old lemonade. It has a little sour, no? We're just gonna walk around until the fireworks start, which is in 40 minutes. It's very sticky. Look, all of it's gone.
Where's it going?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's like disappearing by the second.
Good morning or hello. It's another day. So today I already did my little work morning. It's currently 11:15. Also, don't mind my hair today. It's like day 4. The hair is ready to be redone. And I'm going to show you guys like more of like the healthy habits I'm trying to work into my day after work. I'm trying to find routine in this new chapter, living by myself or with my husband, but like, you know, without parents. And then I'm all the way across the country. So I showed you guys a little bit of 4th of July, which is us kind of like getting out of our comfort zone or whatever, just trying to hang out with people, trying to make new friends. Talked to some older lady for like majority of the time we were there. She was just, we had sat at a picnic table and she was just yapping away, but it was nice to talk to her. Yes, I made a to-do list last night. I'm trying to like fix my sleep schedule because it's also like another thing I really want to work on. I already did this morning like my social media work, so I posted on Instagram, TikTok. I did like my Bible study, meditating, and then I did something for work. It's also my dad's birthday today when I'm filming this, so I gave him a call. Yeah, we just did little things this morning. I'm about to actually eat lunch, which I'll show you guys in a second. Dinner I cooked last night. All right, here's my lunch. I took the sweet potato out of its skin because it was just easier to warm up. I didn't want to wait in the oven any longer. I just want to eat. We're about to eat this. It's now 11:30, and then I'm probably gonna wash all the dishes. Not that many dishes, but I did have cereal in the middle of the night. Might just like clean up and then do some work. The plan for today is to, I need to put our clothes away that we washed. I want to work out. Me and my husband are supposed to go on a walk later. I don't know if we're still gonna do that because at first we were going because he didn't have practice, but now he does have practice because it's summer conditioning. And then I still want to do some more like worky work, but
just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Y'all, it looks so dark in my house. Like, I promise, guys, it always looks like it's nighttime. Because there's like 7,000 million jillion lights, and I'm not turning them all on. It's currently 1:43. I was just on the phone with my grandma for an hour and 45 minutes. Well, I folded the clothes and I put them all away. But I'm gonna do a workout video now. I'm gonna do one that's standing up because my husband's not here. Remember, I told you guys he has my mat. I'm gonna do a standing up one, and then he wants to go on a walk with me later. So we're gonna do both. I'm on hold on the phone, so I'm gonna work out while I wait on hold. Because when you have a baby and they start moving in your body, it feels like an alien is like, well, you know it's a human, but like they just look a little alien-y. My baby. Okay, let's work out.
I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go.
All right, guys, this is the finished dinner. And then here goes 2 lunches. That's for my husband at work. And then that's for me tomorrow. The food, sweet potatoes, broccoli, chicken, and just rice with the chicken sauce, whatever. All right, guys, it is nighttime, obviously. I filmed a little bit of dinner. My camera ended up dying after I started my workout. So what I've been doing the last couple of nights is I'll watch a YouTube video and then I'll come into the room. I got ready for bed, cheese, lip mask on, everything. I'll do my daily devotional. I'll read a book. If I'm really tired, I'll just do one or the other, usually the devotional. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my daily devotional. I just use the regular Bible app that everyone should know of. I try not to go on my phone, but that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this video is like all over the place, not gonna lie. I don't know, we'll see when I edit it. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of days in my life living alone. I love you. God loves you. Peace out. See you in my next video.
Jump on, jealousy.